All right, so we've made the skeleton. Now we need to attach the skeleton to the model itself. And this is relatively easy. What we want to do is get the highest in the hierarchy, which means click any joint and just hit the up arrow until you have the whole skeleton selected, okay? I'm going to hit Q, which is me the regular select tool. I'm just going to hold Shift and click. I just hitting Q so I don't have this big manipulator in the way. That's the only reason why. All right, so I've got the root joint and then the model itself, and then you're just going to make sure you're in rigging. And we're going to go skin, bind skin, hit the option box. And I'm going to hit reset settings, so it's the same as yours. Joint hierarchy is fine. Bind method, you want to switch that to geodesic voxel. Skinning method, classic linear is fine. Interact is fine. Distance is fine. Change max influences to 2. Actually, you know what? Change that to 3. We'll just do 3 for this one. Turn off maintain max influences. These are all fine. 256 is fine, and then hit bind skin. You might want to save it before you do that because this is one of those things where it could potentially crash. Because now it's Maya doing all this, not us. You can look down here and you'll actually see it working its magic. And voila. Now, it could take quite a bit of time for that to happen. My guy's relatively simple, so yours might not be. Now, at this point, I can actually move the skeleton, and it will subsequently move my guy. Okay, there we go. Now you might have really bad binding, meaning that like you'll do some stuff and like see how it's moving this whole piece in here. There are ways of fixing that, but honestly, that would just take quite a bit of time. So I'm going to skip that for now. Later on, if we want, we can try to fix the weighting a little bit. But I'm gonna just say what we have for now is good by default, and then later on, if you really want to, I'll show you how to paint weights and stuff like that. But we're going to call that good as far as the binding is concerned. And like I said, I might make a weight painting video in between this one and the next one. But I'm just going to go right from here and go to the next thing, which is just going to be rigging it. So we're going to call this video good. And then the next one we'll just add a little bit of IK.